We have said it before and we will say it again. World War II was won not just by weapons, but also by engineering. And some pieces of engineering were so good, they even got a spot on the list of the top 3 innovations for the Allied victory in World War II. Yep, today's subject was considered that important. That's right, guys. Today we are going to talk about Bailey bridges. Bailey bridges are known for their incredible strength, simplicity of construction, and most importantly, their versatility. You may be wondering what makes the Bailey Bridge so special. What made it stand out among all the other bridge designs of its time and earn this huge honor? Well, the answer lies in the genius engineering behind its design. In today's episode, we want to help you appreciate the amazing features of this historic structure and explore how these elements make it such an outstanding example of engineering brilliance. So buckle up and get ready to discover what makes Bailey bridges truly remarkable. One of the standout features of the Bailey Bridge is the way it uses side panels to provide extra strength. These side panels are actually what make the bridge so strong and capable of withstanding the weight of heavy vehicles and loads. This design is quite unique because it goes against the traditional idea that putting things closer together makes them weaker. But when done correctly, like in the case of the Bailey Bridge, this can actually make the structure much stronger. To understand how this works, let's imagine a simple example with 2 pipes. If you try to bend them individually, they will easily bend because they are weak in this position. Now, let's take these same pipes and place them side by side and try bending them again. You will notice that now they are much harder to bend because the pipes are stiffer together than they are apart. This is because the pipes are sharing the load, making it harder for the bending force to cause deformation. Now imagine, instead of pipes, we have structural members of a bridge. When these structural members are placed close together, they share the load more efficiently, resulting in a stronger structure. This is exactly what Bailey bridges do with their side panels. They bring the structural members close together so they share the load, increasing the overall strength of the bridge. This might seem like a small detail, but it's actually a major innovation in bridge engineering. Before Bailey bridges, engineers had not figured out how to use this technique effectively. Instead, they used a design called the pony truss, which was weaker and could not support as much weight. The Bailey bridge's design allowed it to be 4 times stronger than the traditional pony truss, which was a game changer during World War II. This bridge design was so strong it could support the weight of tanks and other heavy military vehicles, which was crucial for the Allied forces to move troops and supplies across rivers. It was so good that only 2 of these bridges were ever lost due to enemy action in combat. The rest were removed intact after the war was over. This type of structure is still being used today, not just because it's a reminder of a historic innovation, but because it's still one of the best ways to build strong and efficient bridges. And if you like this kind of cool engineering history, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. But enough about the side panels. Let's look at the basic structure of the Bailey Bridge. At first glance, it may look like a simple beam, but under the surface, there's a lot more going on. You see, the Bailey Bridge is actually a truss design, which is a type of structure made up of interconnected pieces that form a rigid frame. Trusses are incredibly strong for their weight and are often used in bridges and large buildings because they can span long distances while supporting heavy loads. But trusses are not just strong, they are also efficient. They use materials in the most effective way possible, meaning less material is wasted and the structure is lightweight. This is especially important for bridges because lighter structures are easier to transport and install, which can save time and resources. Time is important in bridge building, but it's even more important in situations where there is a military conflict going on. For instance, if the bridge is being built over a river that the enemy could cross, every hour that the bridge is not completed is an hour that the enemy has to cross the river. So the Bailey Bridge's lightweight and efficiency made it perfect for military use. It could be quickly assembled by a small crew in a short amount of time without sacrificing strength or stability. Another important feature of the Bailey Bridge is its ability to handle heavy loads. During World War II, the bridge was used to transport heavy military vehicles such as tanks, which could weigh up to 40 tons. Tanks are not only heavy, but also have large, wide treads that can put a lot of pressure on a bridge. Bailey Bridge was designed to withstand the weight of these vehicles and provide a safe passage for them. The bridge was able to handle these heavy loads due to several factors. First, the truss design of the bridge is inherently strong and can support heavy loads while using less material. The Bailey Bridge's side panels also played a major role in its ability to handle heavy vehicles. As we discussed earlier, the side panels distribute the load more efficiently, making the bridge stronger. Finally, the way the bridge is constructed helps it to maintain stability, even under heavy loads. The bridge is supported by two longitudinal girders that run the length of the structure, which helps to keep it stable and prevent it from collapsing. These factors combine to make the Bailey Bridge an incredibly strong and reliable structure that could withstand the demands of military operations during World War II. And then there's the problem of weight. The Bailey Bridge is designed to carry heavy loads, but it also has to be lightweight itself. You see, the bridge needs to be light enough to be transported and assembled quickly, but it also needs to be sturdy enough to support heavy tanks and other vehicles. This is why the Bailey Bridge uses a lightweight steel structure called a Warren truss. This type of truss is known for its efficiency and can support heavy loads while using less material. Another reason for the Bailey Bridge's success in weight management is its modular design. The bridge is made up of several identical sections that can be easily assembled or disassembled. This means that the bridge can be quickly and easily transported to wherever it is needed. And when it comes to loading the bridge, the weight is evenly distributed across the entire structure. This helps to prevent the bridge from toppling over or collapsing. However, if the weight is not distributed properly, the bridge can topple over. For example, if a heavy vehicle such as a tank tries to drive onto the bridge at an angle, it can cause the bridge to tilt. If the tilt becomes too much, the bridge may topple over. This is why it is important for the crew assembling the Bailey Bridge to follow strict guidelines for placing the sections and for drivers to follow rules when crossing the bridge. Despite this, the Bailey Bridge has a remarkable stability and can withstand even the heaviest of loads if it is assembled correctly. And now we come to the last and perhaps the most important part of the Bailey Bridge. It's launching. Launching is the process of placing the bridge sections into position over the water. This is one of the most critical parts of the bridge building process, because if it is not done correctly, the bridge can collapse. It's important to make sure that the bridge is balanced and stable. Otherwise, it may topple over or collapse. This is especially important for the Bailey Bridge because it's designed to support heavy loads. And if the bridge collapses during the launching process, it could be disastrous. That's why the crew that assembles the Bailey Bridge has to pay close attention to the balance of the bridge as it is being launched. They need to make sure that the weight is evenly distributed and that the bridge is stable enough to support itself and any vehicles that may be crossing it. To achieve this, they use a specialized piece of equipment called a bridge launcher. The bridge launcher is a structure that supports the bridge sections as they are being placed into position. It helps the crew to lift the sections and move them into place with accuracy and precision. The bridge launcher also allows for a controlled launching process, ensuring that the bridge is stable and balanced as it's being installed. Overall, the launching process is a delicate operation that requires skill and precision. The crew must work together to ensure that the bridge is placed correctly and that the weight is balanced. If everything is done correctly, the Bailey Bridge will be successfully launched and ready to support heavy loads. So that's the genius engineering behind the Bailey Bridge, a perfect combination of structural efficiency, innovative design, and precise construction methods that made it one of the most important innovations of World War II. From its unique side panels to its lightweight truss structure and controlled launching process, the Bailey Bridge is a testament to human ingenuity and problem-solving skills. And if you like this kind of cool engineering history, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty more videos where we talk about the amazing feats of engineering that have shaped our world. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.